In this video I mount a Herbert Terry Type 90 Anglepoise lamp onto the wall using a block of wood. I wanted to free up space and declutter my bedside table, and so thought I'd mount a lamp on the wall instead. I also wanted to make the light warmer, so I decided to paint the inside of the shade red. To do this I masked off the rest of the lamp using a bin bag and masking tape around the shade. Before spraying I also thoroughly cleaned out the shade so that the paint would adhere well. Also make sure to mask off the socket for the bulb inside the shade. I applied the paint in several thin coats. This gives a better finish than if you were to apply one thick coat and reduces drips. Make sure to wear an appropriate mask and eye protection when spraying. I'm also spraying in a booth with air extraction. Next I work on the block of wood that the lamp will clamp onto. I didn't have any stock that was thick enough, so I glued up two pieces but sanded them before doing so. I then cut the block to size. I didn't think this at the time, but watching it back it would have been better to have clamped the piece down rather than holding it, as that would have been safer. I mark out and drill a hole for the clamp to seat into, judging a suitable depth by eye. I also drilled holes for the block to be mounted to the wall. gave the piece a final sanding before mounting it. I then applied a finish of 50-50 beeswax and mineral oil, which really brings out the grain. After that I countersunk the holes with the screws, and I should have done that before applying the finish. I used a smart bulb in the lamp, which is a little heavier than other bulbs, so I did have to rebalance the lamp by adjusting one of the screws. The lamp gives a really warm glow, and I tend to use it at the lower brightnesses.